Topsoe machinery. Today I'm going to introduce you the hand inject printer. Let's open the box. You can see the printer here, the battery, the USB reader, and the one touch screen pen, and charger. And this one is ink, inject ink. Okay, this one is liquid for wash the touch screen. Okay, so we don't need this. So this is printer. First, just install the battery first. Push it, and this is ink. Remove the case. You can see there's pin, and you can see there's pin inside of the machine as well. Okay, so the pin should be matched. Put the ink inside. Okay, you can see here. Then push it to fix it. Okay, then let's open the machine. It's loading. It will take some time. Okay, so this is where you to edit your word to print. Just press edit. Then there is test. Press test, and press add. This is lock. Lock is which means to fix the position of your word. So I'll uncheck it. Just add text. Let's say I'll type Topsoe. Let's press word. O-P-C-N. Okay. And okay. So now you can see Topsoe is on the screen. So if you want to print, just press print and press start. So now you can print already. Okay. Thank you.